they are joined by greater flamingos, fresh from West Africa. 12,000 breeding pairs spend the summer here. The salty lagoons provide everything they could wish for. But life here isn't quite as peaceful as they'd hoped. The flamingos arrive in the breeding season as feisty stallions try to round up the mares. Time to find a quieter lagoon. Fortunately, the Camargue has hundreds to choose from.